In the heart of South Africa lies the world's largest meteorite crater. This is where a wonderful new river trip has been launched to take visitors on an awe-inspiring journey through the mountains surrounding the center of the crater. We call it the Dome Drift. Using rafts and canoes, we float downriver, led by professional guides. The Google map shows the Fall River flowing through the Dome Mountain land or Bergland. The mountains alongside the river mark the edge, or collar, of the world's biggest meteorite crater. The center of the crater is called the Vredefort Dome, so named because the small Free State town of Vredefort lies closest to the center. The whole crater structure stretches from Johannesburg in the north to the gold mining town of Welkom in the southeast. It is about 300 kilometers across. Its size makes it bigger than the crater that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. There was no mass extinction here. It happened too long ago, 2 billion years, which was before the formation of complex life on Earth. Paddlers on the river are treated to an experience of one of the wonders of the world. Like Kilimanjaro and the Victoria Falls, the Vredefort crater is a unique African phenomenon. The Vaal River is one of the world's oldest rivers and is the only one that flows right through an impact crater. It is often called the River of Diamonds because it carries these precious gems from deposits upstream. River trips and hikes are conducted throughout the year, and there are also guided driving tours. Get hold of us to arrange your visit.